Leetcode 1004. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's live stream, what we did is we tackled this consecutive ones problem. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. And these are the type of things that we go over during our live streams. I wrote an algorithm that worked, wasn't very efficient. It was a standard typical sliding window where you come through and you have an issue and then you slide all the way down. Well, that's extremely inefficient, especially if you're dealing with a K value of like 2600. So one of our Discord members, somebody who's on the stream pretty often, came up with a very, very elegant solution right here where it kind of straddles a 2-pointer and sliding window problem. And it is so elegant. And as you can see right here, it falls under 69 milliseconds and is faster than 43.95% of the other submissions. And it is very, very intriguing, and I love this solve where once you're moving, then you begin to move the other over while leaving the endpoint or the window open on the other end. So let's just kind of take a peek of what the problem was. Standard sliding window is, hey, let's go ahead and let's take a peek and we can find the longest consecutive ones. Well, the reason why I'm so intrigued by this problem is it has a caveat. It's like, well, you can kind of pick which zeros to turn into ones, and you get this integer k. So if you really think about what the algorithm is you can count a 0 if k still has a value of anything greater than. So because at first I went, okay, if I do this one and then I do this one, well, you do have a scenario where this works and this works. And what our approach does is it handles when we get to here and we move over. This example solves it right here. So, all right, these are the type of problems that we are going through during our live stream. So I highly recommend, if you can, try to jump over and watch those. And the whole point and the premise of why I'm doing this, it's actually twofold. One, for me to get the stress and work through the anxiety of solving live problems. So if and when I do get an interview, a technical interview, I will be able to know what that stress feels like. And two, also for new learners to see the struggles of what it's like, because you see everyone on YouTube and they go, oh, here's the solve, and you're like, how did you even know to do that? Well, when we're walking through these, we are logically thinking out loud and going through, and you begin to see these type of situations where you're going to use that tool, where you're going to use that approach. This approach right here is brilliant. So you're not having to do a reassign and test and if. You're just throwing in these two, and boom. This is a very clean way to handle this, finding a max count. So, real quick video today. Just wanted to put this out here. Make sure that you're hitting that like, subscribe button, notification bell. Make sure you're hitting the Discord server down below so you're on your journey of learning data, SQL, Python, whatever journey you're on, so you're not alone and you're not going through this by yourself. But most importantly, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.